This is the Octavious Tower here at Caesars. They are Thyssenkrupp. Not this one? You're stuck. Okay. Yep. Yeah, you're stuck. Alright. Alright, here we go.
Ninth floor.
Get a different one on the way down. It's probably gonna be this one. Maybe this one? Oh, hold on, this one's coming. Yep, these are Thyssenkrupp.
69th floor. Going down.
It's got this custom traditional fixture, I think, and then the rest of them are just mad BS. Whoa, that was a drop. Oh, this one sounds great. Also, no numbers again. So I don't know how far we are until the bottom. Should be pretty close. Only displays C. Never shows numbers for some reason. And then for all your Thyssenkrupp fans, there you go. And that's it.